Hello bakers, and welcome back to another video. Well, here we are, 30 days in. To be more precise, it's about 34. It is the 4th of August that I'm recording this. But let's just go for a nice round number of 30 days in. 30 days into what? Well, this is 30 days in to unemployment for me. This is 30 days since I gave up full-time employment. So what has happened in those 30 days? Well, as you can see, the workshop is getting organised. Everything, all my tools, are starting to have a place to live, which is fantastic. I love having an organised workshop. What else has happened in 30 days? Well, the electrics. Yes, the electrics. My God, that's taken a while. I'm finally getting the electrics done. So, as you can see, I've got all the holes, power cords coming out everywhere. Hopefully the Sparky will be in this week to get those finalised. So what else has happened in the 30 days that I've been unemployed? Well, unexpectedly, I've had a struggle. And I have to admit that the struggle is prioritising. While I want to get everything organised, which I feel is the biggest priority, of course, I still need to generate an income. I have plans, obviously, I have a business plan, and part of that business plan is produce products. But I also have commission works. In the 30 days that I've been unemployed, I've actually gained about 6 or 7 commission pieces that I need to get started. They range from 3D printing projects to sculpting, resin casting, and others. But how have I been trying to cope with this struggle of proportioning myself between all these things that need to be done for an income? Well, I came across one piece of information which was really helpful, and it is learn to say no. What an epiphany that was, let me tell you, because up until now I was just saying yes. Yes. Tim, can you do this? Yeah, I can do that. Tim, what do you think about this? Yeah, I'd love to give that a crack, eh? I'm always intrigued by the technical challenge of something that's out of my comfort zone. And so I have taken on a few of those. But I've also got a few jobs which are favours for friends, and friends who have helped and supported me for quite some time. And I've had their projects sitting on my table, in a box, under the bench for far too long. So I am portioning myself between making product for sale, tending to other streams of income such as online shops for like Redbubble, t-shirt designs, whatever, and of course commission pieces. So I'm learning a new skill set for prioritizing. That's what's happened in 30 days so far. Commission works. Well, 30 days in, yes, I've already got commission works. As I said, I have about 6 or 7 at the moment. I've capped it at that. That's it. I have said no to any more that have come in. While I haven't straight out said, no, I'm not going to do it full stop, I've just said, this is what I need to do first. And this is one of them. This is my version of a skull for a Varactyl. A Varactyl. What is a Varactyl? Well, that's the creature that Obi-Wan rides in Attack of the Clones. It's a reptile / bird, more reptile sort of a creature. But this is a commission work, and Liz, I know you're out there. Thank you very much for your patience. As you can see, it is coming along. So this is just one commission work, and probably a priority at the moment that I really want to get finished. It will eventually be cast in a mold, silicone mold, and then cast out of resin. Now, I'm not going to say what purpose Liz is using this for. That's probably a secret that she'd like to keep for herself. But what else do I have to do? Well, I have other commission jobs. I have Vorpal blades that I need to cast and get done as well. I also need to create products, which is I've already touched on. So I need to create products. What are those products? Well, some of those products will be blaster kits. Again, another video down the track. Also, merchandise, little buttons, pins, t-shirts. I have some of these in an Etsy shop already, but I need to work on that as well. So I need to portion myself between all these streams of income. And the reality of it, I guess, which has hit me in the last 30 days is, well, this is not your 9 to 5. I guess a part of the struggle is I'm still coming to terms with not waking up, not going through peak hour traffic, not working 8-hour plus days, heading back home through peak hour traffic. This is it. This is all new. Working for myself, there is no 9 to 5. The hours are from the moment I wake up to the moment I go to bed. So that is another epiphany I've had in 30 days of being unemployed. What else has happened in the 30 days? Well, new toys, acquisitions, another stream of income, laser cutting. So 30 days. So far, I've also had to learn how to use a laser cutter. I've also had to learn how to use Lightburn, an interfacing program for laser cutters. And I gotta say, Lightburn is a great program. I'm really enjoying using it. In addition, I've also had to learn DaVinci Resolve, the video editing program that I use for these videos. And whoa, what a learning curve. But I'm riding that curve, and I have to say I'm riding that curve quite comfortably. And I'm surprised. I really did doubt my own abilities as to whether I could actually learn these in a timely manner. And so far I think it's been pretty good. So there's more to come. I also have a resin printer that I need to learn how to use as well, a slicing program for that. And I've got to get back into 3D printing also. So I've got a second machine which I need to get up and running also. So 30 days in, and this is where I am at so far. I was discussing all this with a friend of mine the other day. Nathan, thanks again for your time. And Nathan sent me a really great quote. And it's actually by Bruce Lee. No relation. Bruce Lee said, "To me, ultimately, martial arts or any art mean honestly expressing yourself. To express oneself honestly, not lying to oneself, and to express myself honestly." Now that is very hard to do. And I got to say, so far it has been hard to do. But it's a journey that I'm enjoying, and it's a journey that I really wish you will continue to join me on the way into this unknown future. So, thanks again. And remember, let's just keep creating. Please remember to hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well.